everyone, welcome back to my Sichuan kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make century egg and pork congee, aka 皮蛋瘦肉粥. There's so many ways to eat century eggs, and in my previous video I shared this century egg salad recipe and it's so delicious. Make sure to check that out. Today I'm going to show you another classic century egg congee. It's so warming and so easy to digest, and it's a classic for the winter. If you want to see how it's made, stay tuned and let's get started. First, wash 1 cup of rice thoroughly for 2 times. Then put washed rice in a large pot. Add water. Use a 1:10 ratio for the water content. Turn on fire and cook until it boils. Remove the lid and turn the heat to low. Cover again and cook for 30 to 40 minutes. Next, we're going to slice the pork. I'm using pork tenderloin today, which is perfect for this congee dish. Cut pork tenderloin into slices first, then chop into strips. Remember to remove any tendon or fatty part from the pork. Marinate pork with a 1/4 teaspoon salt, white pepper powder, a 1/4 teaspoon potato starch, sesame oil, and mix in 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. Next, let's prepare the century eggs. First, remove any packaging that came with your century eggs. Century eggs are preserved duck eggs, so they're slightly larger. Crack the egg shell on all sides. Start to peel the shell with the skin. Now you should be able to smell your century egg. It's not the best, but it won't affect the taste. The snowflake patterns always fascinate me. It's so pretty. Cut century eggs in half, then slice into quarters. Further slice into small pieces. Next, we will slice 1 piece of peeled ginger and then cut into thin strips. Finely chop green onion, that's all the ingredients we need to prepare. Let's check out the rice porridge. When there's no water separated from rice, you can tell the porridge is almost ready. It should be a white and creamy consistency, and we call this congee. If you can still see the water separate from rice, just cook for a little longer. Now you can see the congee is nice and creamy, and now we can add the other ingredients. First, drop in the shredded ginger, mix well, then add century eggs. Add shredded pork in batches to prevent sticking together. Mix everything up to make sure all the ingredients are evenly distributed. Season with salt, let's taste for salt. Perfect. Then add white pepper powder, drizzle some sesame oil, and top with chopped green onion. And just like that, our century egg and pork congee is done. Doesn't it look great? Serve the congee in a beautiful bowl, and here's to a simple and balanced meal. You can eat the congee with some simple stir-fried dishes or Chinese pickled vegetables. Trust me, it's a delicious combo. Alrighty guys, now our favorite part, the taste test. I'm so excited to try the congee today because it's so cold outside and this is such a perfect warming dish for the winter time. Century egg. Century egg just have that complex taste and just really adds to the taste of the congee. If you're like me, I love ginger, and ginger in this congee just tastes so warming to your body. Traditional Chinese medicine believe that ginger has very medicinal value to your body and it can really help your heats up. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I do hope you try this recipe out. If you do, please tag me on Instagram because I'd love to see it. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any new videos. I'll see you next time.